In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a guest in Ownerrez. To get started, go to Ownerrez and make sure you're on the homepage. This is the easiest place to begin because the tool you need is accessible right from the main screen. Once you've landed there, take a moment to orient yourself so you can quickly spot the correct menu. From the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. This area contains several important controls, so if you're new to the platform, it's helpful to remember that many quick actions are grouped there. What you're looking for specifically is the tool icon. When you see the tool icon, click on it. This will open the menu where you can access additional functions beyond the main booking view. If you've never used this menu before, it's essentially a shortcut area for tasks that help you manage information more efficiently. After opening that menu, click on Find or Create Guest. This is the option that allows you to search for an existing guest record or begin a new one if needed. In this case, since the goal is to locate a guest, you'll use the search field that appears next. Next, click into the field that says you can type a name, email, or phone number to begin. Enter whichever piece of information you have available. Using the guest's full name will often be the most straightforward option, but if you have an email address or phone number, those can also help narrow the search more quickly. Be sure to type carefully so the correct match appears in the results. Once the name appears in the search results, review it briefly to confirm that it matches the guest you're looking for. This is especially useful if there are similar names in the system. Taking a second to verify the result can help you avoid opening the wrong record. When you found the correct guest, click on the name. That will open the guest profile and take you directly into their details. At that point, you'll be able to see all of the guest details associated with that record. This can include the information stored for that guest in Ownerrez, making it easier to review their profile, and continue with whatever task you need to complete next. That's all it takes to find a guest in Ownerrez. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy, especially if you remember to start from the home page, head to the top right corner, open the tool icon, and use the Find or Create Guest option. Or